y'all. Good morning. It is Monday. I want to keep saying December. I don't know why. Monday, February 24th, 2020. I am Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. And so it's about 10:30. I'm getting a little bit of a late start today. Things have been a little hectic around here, which is awesome. I'm not upset about it. I have been partnering with a few people, some other really awesome traders who are trying to help other people in other areas of trading, not just with Emini futures. So I'm very, very grateful for that, which is why I put on my grateful pants. And I'm also grateful that you can't see what pants I'm wearing, because you'd see this nice shirt with some PJ pants. And that's why I work from home, because I do what I want, right? I don't leave the house like that, though. No, I do what I want within reason, without trying to offend anybody and all that jazz. So, You Profit Trader has been really going good. I know if some of y'all have signed up for that, and I'm really excited to hear about your journey. So please feel free to email me and tell me about your journey. Let me know about how things have been going over there. I like to hear things from you. We do have traders who are pulling out from their accounts and being able to live off the trades they've made, and that is an awesome feeling to be able to be a part of that. Also, I'm working on some new MACDs, so there's going to be some new curriculum out there. Once the new MACDs come out, they're going to be responsible day trading MACDs, but they are going to be open to everybody. I do not like to have proprietary indicators because really, honestly, guys, there's no such thing. Everything you've ever wanted has been out there. Yeah, I took a drink of water. Yeah, I cut it out. Everything you've ever wanted to use is out there. We all just kind of change up the shapes and the colors and the numbers just a little bit to make it ours. So I'm going to make sure that you have access to that. Also, those MACDs are going to be specific for NinjaTrader 8. So what I'm doing is I'm still going to leave the MACD information that I have now in the curriculum, and then I'm going to add on more MACD information with the new BBs that we're going to have. So there's going to be 2 MACDs in the curriculum. For those who trade something else besides NinjaTrader, which I do. I have students who trade multi-charts. I have students who trade Thinkorswim. So it really doesn't matter as long as we can find a very comparable MACD that we can use on whatever charting platform you're on. Now, I can't say anything for your broker or chart trade or anything like that, but that's part of the reason that I love NinjaTrader. I've got Chart Trader, I've got great brokers. I never have an issue. Sometimes I don't get filled, but it's, for the most part, I don't have an issue with any of that, and that's part of the reason that I love NinjaTrader. On that note, let's check out the market. Let's look at that daily chart. Holy moly. Look how far this has dropped. We're not far from that last low that happened a little close to a month ago, about 20 days ago. Wow. Y'all, I think this is about to drop. I may... come here. I'm not going to be able to get in that one. Just saw the way this pulled back and pushed down. Oh, yeah, this is about to drop big time, y'all. Okay, I need to find a way into this. Pull back. It is right here at the low. We're about to break through that bottom, so this may come back and get me. It may come all the way back here, which I'm hoping it. Woo! Hoping it doesn't. Oh, move. Oh, I couldn't move it in time. I tried to move it bigger. Let's see if this one's gonna go too. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna hit close. tiny little reversal bar and pulling back. Ooh, oh, y'all, it may have just been too quick, but I'm not loving this. Not loving the push through right now. Ooh, trying to do the tiny little bar right here. Might have been a little quick on that. Hitting close. Not loving my entry there. Yeah. Would have definitely come back and stopped me out. Yeah, that went a little faster than I could have handled right there. Ooh, doggy, this may pull back. I like having it right behind this little spot. Bring that down to a break even. To reach in this spot. Watching this, if this starts to pop up a little bit, I'm probably going to take that out. I'm going to hit close. Yeah, it may keep going down, but man, we had a reversal bar right in here. The MACDs have not come down with strength here. They're still fairly weak, reaching right into that same area that we were before. This could keep going, obviously. It can do whatever it wants to do. Yeah, this may just keep dropping. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to call it a day. It's 30 minutes into it. It's 10 minutes from when I said I wanted to stop for the day. This is looking like it's probably still going to drop. Let's look at these trades. So 10.5 points. One loss. It did take me out at 2 separate exits. And look at this. That's one I keep on. You know what? I don't care. I'm done for the day. This took me so fast. I had no way of grabbing it and moving it. If I had just not moved that, it'd have left me in. Hey, it is what it is, right? So first one plus 2.0 and then plus 0.25. Well, that is all she wrote today, y'all. So there we go. 4 trades, 10.25 points. And it looks like it is still trying to go down, but it is going to go down without this lady because this lady has got things to do. We're going to call that a day. It was fairly simple. Really, patience pays off everywhere. Sometimes patience means that I don't take a trade, that I might miss one. But that's okay. I don't need to be in every trade. But you know what? I'm going to put my gratitude pants on. I'm going to put on the gratitude pantalones. And I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. And by enjoy, I mean taking care of all the things I told myself I was going to take care of. Work, 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 work. I have a list of things that I have had for months. And I've just been slowly knocking them off that list. And I'm going to do that. And on Friday, I will not be here. Friday through Monday. I'm going to be in New Orleans with the best friend. We may just spend half of our time in the hotel. I don't know. We haven't really decided what exactly we're going to do. Mardi Gras is over, so we're not there for Mardi Gras. And she is from Louisiana, so that is, you know, just part of her heritage there. Besides that, I think we're going to wrap it up, head on out of here, and I hope that everybody has the most magnificent of Mondays. And as always, you know, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side.